All right, everyone, here is the lesson 28 problem set answers from last night. We started with where did my picture go? Okay, I'm going to add it right now. Excuse me for a second. I'm going to add this in. Not sure why it didn't happen before, but here we go. Done. Okay, number one, the Sparkling House Cleaning Company has cleaned 28 houses this week. And if this number represents 40% of the total number of houses the company is contracted to clean, how many total houses will the company clean by the end of the week? So I'm going to use the percentage 40%, means 40 per 100, and that's equal to another part to whole ratio. The 28 houses cleaned this week is the part of the houses that have been cleaned, so the 28 goes on the top. So that's the part, we got to find the whole. So now either we do 40 times something is 100 or 40 divided by something is 28. I think I'll do the 100. So I'm going to go 100 divided by 40. That's a 2. 2 times 40 is 80. Subtract and you get 20 left over. 20 left over out of 40 is a half. So this is not bad. A 2.5 is the constant. So we're going to multiply 28 times 2.5 to get our answer. 28 times 2.5 is, that's a 40, carry the 4. 10 and 4 is 14. Placeholder, 16, carry the 1, that's a 5. So altogether we get 700. No, not 700, because there's a decimal. Come on, folks. There's a decimal, so it's 70. There we go. 70. So the total number of houses that they are contracted to clean is 70 houses. 28 out of 70 is the same as 40%. Okay. Let's get all that out of the way, and we'll do number 2. Number 2, Joshua delivered 30 hives to the local fruit farm. If the farmer has paid to use 5% of the total number of Joshua's hives, how many hives does Joshua have in all? Well, 5% is 5 out of 100, part to whole ratio. And Joshua delivered 30 hives to the fruit farm. If the farmer has paid to use 5% of the total number of Joshua's hives, 5% is the part, 30 is the part. So we multiply 5 times 6 to get 30, so 100 times 6 is our answer, and there are 600 total hives. That's it. Any questions? Please ask your substitute teacher today respectfully, and get ready for lesson 29. Hope that helps. See you again next time.